join me in welcoming Liza Minnelli to QVC.
Steve,
Hi.
that was so nice.
Liza.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you so much
You're
for that
welcome.
introduction.
Please have a seat.
Hi, everybody.
Is this great? Is this?
Oh, I'm excited. You know, I'm more excited about doing this, I think, than I am about doing practically anything except playing the Palace.
Okay, that's high praise. That's high.
It's because, I guess because I watch with everybody else. You know, I watch QVC. And the wonderful thing about QVC is that there's not like some middleman. I mean, you get to talk right to the people and tell them what you were thinking and how you were feeling. Like when I thought of this, when I thought of the songs from my dad's movies, album of that, I don't know about some of you, but my 1999 was really crummy. You know, I had to have a hip operation and a throat operation and a thing and a thing. It was just kind of an unlucky physical year. And so I'm lying in the hospital, and they don't know whether I can sing again or whether I can dance again, and they're telling me that, which is a huge mistake. And I thought, well, I'm scared and I'm bored, and why don't I get my dad's movies, and I'll just watch all my father's movies while I'm here. And that's what I did. Oh. So I put on all these movies, and I did it just, you know, to stay occupied and not to have to think too deeply about anything. And I suddenly started to realize the one thing that I share with everybody sitting out there is these movies and the music from them. I mean, An American in Paris, and Gigi, and my father and my mother were looking out for me. Oh. And it is, as the title says, it's a take. It's, my father told me very early on that if you come at something from your own point of view, that's the only way to make it new. So I've tried to come at all of the songs from my dad's films from my own point of view.
Fabulous songs. 24 tunes, over an hour. Would you sing the first one for us, please?
Sure. Yeah, we have some setting up to do.
We do.
We do. Moved the furniture here.
We're all ready. We're ready. You at home, dial in now. You don't want to miss a moment, not a moment of this. Dial in for Minnelli on Minnelli. Over an hour. Already 400 have been ordered. Think of it, 24 great tunes, including the one you're about to hear.
This song was from a movie that my father made called On a Clear Day, You Could See Forever. I don't know if you know that that was one of his films, if it was. And it starred the beautiful Barbra Streisand. And it also starred some of the most wonderful people in the world. I love this song. I hope you do too. What did I have that I do have? What did he like that I lost track of? What did I do that I don't do the way I did before? What isn't there that once was there? What have I got a great big lack of? Something in me then he could see that beckons to him no more. I'm just a victim of time, obsolete in my prime, out of date and outclassed by my past. What did he love that there's no love? What did I lose the sweet warm lack of? Wouldn't I give if the only me just knew how? I knew how. What did I have? I don't have now. What did he see that's gone in me? instead, till I'm once again previously. What did he like that I'm not like? What is this charm that I've run dry of? What would I give if my own know-how still knew? Oh, what did I have? I don't have. What did he love? There's none of. What did I have? I don't have now.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, good hit, Liza. Oh, man.
Thank you.
It doesn't get a lot better than that, Liza.
Gosh, I got nervous. Isn't that funny? I got nervous because I know I'm talking directly to the people. I screwed up a lyric. Fred Evans going to kill me.
Oh, you did
Yes.
wonderfully well. Now, that's such a phenomenal song, and what a performance. And you give 120% every time. I mean, on every one of these 24 songs. What are some of your favorites from the CD?
Oh, I like, you know what, I like some of the things from Cabin in the Sky.
Oh, yes.
My father's first movie. From Ziegfeld Follies, from Meet Me in St. Louis. I love the stuff from The Bandwagon.
Oh, yep.
And the stuff from, did I say Gigi?
Oh, thank heaven for little girls. Your version of that, you redefined the whole song.
Oh, I'm so glad you like it.
A lot.
It means the world to me, and if it means anything to you, if it brings back the kind of good memories that got me back and up on my legs and singing my songs again, then it's the best I can give you.
Well, it is the best of the best. I mean, your dad did some of the most fun movies, some of the most entertaining movies back when movies were just that. They were very, very serious about entertaining us.
Well, he changed everything. You know, he was the only director that knew about, not only about sound, but about ballet. He was the first one to put a ballet at the end of a film, which was An American in Paris.
That's right.
He knew about color. He came from Broadway. He was a big Broadway deal before he came to America. It's not like I'm proud of my father or anything.
You could tell.
And then he met my mother, and then they made Meet Me in St. Louis, and if it wasn't for Meet Me in St. Louis, I wouldn't be here.
That's
so
right. That's very, very, very accurately put, indeed. This is such a collection. I mean, recorded live, like I said, it puts us right third row center for this electrifying performance, just the best of the best music.
Oh, thank you.
I know your schedule is so busy, and we are so honored to have you here.
I was thrilled. Isn't it funny? It's on the things that you really want to do good on. Sometimes you make a mistake, but thank you for making me feel so comfortable.
Liza.
And thank you for listening and for getting this, because I tell you, I wouldn't tell you if it was good if I didn't really think so.
It is superb.
I really wouldn't.
It really is superb. I mean, everything, the orchestrations, the wonderful reaction of the audience as you hear the live recording. Over an hour of music, 24 of the best songs from Vincent Minnelli's movies. Minnelli on Minnelli live at the Palace.
On Angel Records.
On Angel Records, thank you.
Produced by Phil Ramone and Billy Stritch and all those wonderful musicians.
Absolutely. Liza Minnelli, thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Steve. That was fun.
It was fun. Stay with us. Lots more still to come.
That is making, don't worry and we'll go fly.